Hello, hi. This is Manigandan Paneer Selvam from SuperIndex DB. Um, this is our chain of videos, and this video we are going to talk about our business model, like what we are. SuperIndex DB is, and what we are serving. What is our goals, and you can understand about SuperIndex DB, the company as well as the operations what we have. Okay, let's begin. Hope this video will be useful to you. Okay, what is SuperIndex DB? As I mentioned in other videos and here also, it's a solution to all the existing database issues. Like we follow all the RDBMS features. Like SuperIndex DB has all the old RDBMS features without missing anything. And we have no SQL features, all the old no SQL features without missing anything. We have everything from the traditional. We are not changing anything. Plus, we are having a innovative super index data structure that solves the response time issues from the existing databases. How that is solving? Like we have in a different videos, we discussed the algorithm and the way it is doing, and even we'll talk more in this video also. Super index option is available on top of all the database existing features. As I want to reiterate, we have all the traditional RDBMS features. We also have a traditional NoSQL features. Plus, we have a new data structure named super index, which is solving your solution. I mean, which is solving your search operation issues and the response time issues. Okay, we have a super index data structure comparing with the index data structure, that is B-tree data structure and the B-tree plus data structure, binary tree data structure. This is completely different. Like you see the table right here. This is the impact. Like what is the impact super index DB is coming up. Right? See, for example, this table is giving 1 million record rows. If you have it in the table, what happens? If you have 10 millions, what happens? 1 billion, what happens? 10 billion, what happens? And this is one particular table. So there is you cannot compare the table response time with your response times or anything. See, table response time is completely depends upon the number of rows it has and the data type it has. Say address is big, the SSN number is 16. The SSN number is small, and we have credit card number, and that is a 16-digit number. So it depends. Like date is different, and employee ID is different. So it depends upon the data type and everything. But this is one particular example, one particular table's example. And in the one particular table example, if you see, it usually takes 5 seconds, 7 seconds, 12 seconds, 16 seconds without any indexes in the traditional way. Even super index DB also takes a similar response time without indexes and super indexes. But when we have indexes, what happens? It improves the response time to 2 seconds, 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds. When you come to the super index DB also, we also have the indexes. We also has the same 2 seconds, 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds. But when we go to super index option, you can see the difference. See the big difference 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. See here, when the number of records are high, almost it's equal. It's a O of n is always 1, almost 1. And this super index concept, right? It is without fetching the other records. It directly go to the record and fetch it. So that's a concept. That's algorithm actually. I was talking about, if you want to know more details about the algorithm, right? Just go through the other videos, like we said, how superindex is different from other databases, and the basic database server concept. These are all the videos we have. So here these response times are very good, and whenever whatever the records are, it's a massive records or huge, whatever the records are, we don't worry. We provide a similar response time with a less response time. Okay. Okay. Yeah, in the picture way, see the tradition, the old databases and the records, right? It just maintains high response time when the records are growing. But when we have this thing, indexes, it has one particular feature, but super index is almost one. So this is the response times in the y-axis, and the x-axis we just mentioned the number of records, that is table record index actually. Okay, okay. Now we come to our business model, like how SuperIndex DB can be utilized by anybody in the world, wherever you are. I mean, whatever the language yours are, whatever it is, SuperIndex DB can be accessible because we have five different options to use SuperIndex DB. One is that trial edition, that's a free edition. We give complete SuperIndex database. We give complete SuperIndex database, and that those SuperIndex database you can utilize unlimited for normal mode, unlimited for index mode. Everything is unlimited. But only the thing is, SuperIndex DB we are limited to only 100,000 rows, right? That's a limitation we are providing. And this database you can it will be available in cloud, SuperIndex cloud. That's a free, completely free. The SuperIndex cloud can be utilized by anybody. This trial edition anybody can use it. Coming to the second option, we have a shared cloud full edition. What is a full edition means? We complete SuperIndex database with SuperIndex data structure, unlimited and full edition. The n number of records you can use a SuperIndex, and this is a cloud. So your database size is not matter for us. You can use our cloud. That's option. We have a third option, full edition with dedicated cloud. It is, see, sometimes no, the secured cloud is completely secured, right? Because we are maintaining a different databases and we have a backup system, we have a disaster recovery, we have a, a secondary backup, third backup, and everything. So it's secured and also vulnerability free. We are completely vulnerability free. It's all secured. But sometimes you may, even though all these rules are satisfied, sometimes you may need a dedicated cloud. So we provide you the dedicated server, for your operation. So we created a database, for your operation in a dedicated cloud. So we have option the similar way with dedicated cloud. There is a fourth option. It's a on-premises option. Like suppose instead of SuperIndex cloud, you want to download the database server into your premises. We have certain points to discuss on that. You can just contact us. You can, if you go to the web page, our web page, you can see that contact us options. Or if you click the full edition with on-premise option, you will come to know there like how to contact us and everything. That's option we are providing. And we also have a fifth option. That's a traditional database. SuperIndex DB is giving a traditional database without any SuperIndex option. Okay, that's a fifth option we have. But for all these options, SuperIndex drivers and SuperIndex clients are downloadable at any time from anywhere. It's completely free and completely accessible. Our SuperIndex server will be in SuperIndex cloud. I mean, what I said, SuperIndex drivers and SuperIndex clients can be downloaded anywhere. SuperIndex server will be in SuperIndex cloud. That's it, except the on-premises option. So these are the five options to use SuperIndex DB. Okay, when we have a relationship with you, right? The shared cloud or dedicated cloud. What are all the services we do? 24/7 technical customer service. Whatever the issues you are facing in database, you just connect us. Whatever the help you need in database, you just connect us. We will provide you the solution quickly. We have SLA for that, and database solution, right? It's not only SuperIndex DB related database solution, any database related. I mean, you want to design a database, you are seeing some problems with the database, you are having some other databases in the industry and you want to know solution. Whatever the solution you want, just contact us, we'll provide you the solution. Training and certifications, yes, we are providing 100%. You can utilize it. Onshore training, online tutorials. We have videos like this, and we have material. You can utilize that. And a default database cloud backup, we are giving a complete database cloud backup, extreme security for the databases, and friendly and dedicated commitment we provide you. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Apart from this database, cloud databases and the services what we provide, we also connect with you through consulting activities. Any consulting activities. See, okay, what type of things you can consult with us? What is our special area? We have a bunch of scientists and experts. We are doing R&D in regular basis. So to meet our goals, we are doing R&D. But for your business also, we provide you the R&D consulting. Whatever this technologies, don't worry. But we'll provide you the research based database also, data structure, application servers, Java, .NET, whatever it is. Just contact us. Out of the box thinking, we are boundless in any technologies. There is no technology. Even it's a new technology, you have something in your mind, you want to create a new object oriented system, new artificial intelligence system, new neural network system, just contact us. We provide you the out of box thinking. 100% will serve you on that. Other than that, end-to-end database consulting also we do. What is end-to-end database consulting means? Like say you want to design your database, you want to design a website, you want to write your database queries, you want to write it, design a table, whatever, just contact us. We have experts on database, obviously. Other software consulting, J2E, .NET, blah blah, artificial intelligence, neural networks, and big data concepts, and IoT concepts. Whatever the concepts, you just contact us. We provide you the consulting for anything what you need actually. Okay, why choose us? Why SuperIndex DB? Data structure solutions, right? Our data structure solutions, as compared to the existing traditional data structures, you see, it's innovative data structure. We directly go to the record and fetch it. We don't do the scanning of the table. Also, with using an indexing concept, binary tree, B tree, we don't scan the B tree, divide it. No, no, directly go. That's the data structure we have. Engine innovation. See, we see that the engine is not a final one. Any engine. Object-oriented system. Java is an object-oriented system. Is it a final one? How do you know that? Always there is a room to improve. So we have innovations, right? We are thinking about it. Like, what is the thinking engine we need to provide? It's a different engine we need to provide. What is the next world? After decades, what will be there in world? We are thinking about that. Also, we are a performance monsters. Performance is a key to improve our next generation. That's what we are thinking. So that next generation gaps and the apps, the stuff. So we respect performance in our products. Just try it. Try our product. You will see the benefits. You will see the traditional issues. I mean, you will see. I mean, you won't see the traditional issues, and you will see the benefits. Okay, where is our office location? It's located in Bangalore, and the leadership, it's me. I'm the founder of this organization, and I'm also a chief architect and designed SuperIndex DB and implemented. Coming to the company's vision, values, and mission. Vision is the aim is to become a world's leading database engine provider. Value is by relaxing our mind, trustworthiness, compete, grow. That's trustworthy is important. We want to compete because compete is a good word to grow everyone, right? It's not one person. There is no selfish boundary. Everybody. Groom, yes, obviously. Okay, the mission. I believe it. Mahatma Gandhi usually says customer is king. That's very important. Like we are designing our products and solutions by understanding your problem. See, this response time also I've seen it in the industry. Many companies, many people are struggling. They are unable to divide the tables. See, Aadhaar table, can you divide it? North part of the India and southern part of the India, I will have two databases. I will search in first Aadhaar card, first I will search it in north part, then I'll go to south part. No, that horizontal partitioning or the vertical partitioning, it needs a lot of effort and stuff, right? So we keep your issues. I know in certain place, I mean, most of the places how they are struggling. and that one is driven us, it's driving us to innovate this product. So something like that. See, that's our mission. Whatever the customers need and the issues and requirements, that is a solution we do. We just convert into the solution. Okay, we have additional services, as I mentioned earlier, end-to-end software solutions as a service. We provide it. Database cloud service, database end-to-end services for any providers, and also we okay, we can customize the SuperIndex DB also. It's open. See, we know, right? What is SuperIndex DB? See, suppose you are calling, no, I want this feature to be like this. Yes, call us. We will modify it. No, I want the feature should be like this. We will modify it in SuperIndex DB. We will customize the product and we'll provide you. You know, so these options we have. Please contact us for any requirements you have. Okay, what are our goals? What are our goals in subsequent years and future plans? 2021, we are targeting to solve all the existing database issues. 2022, we want to continuously improve our database engines. 2023, number one database engine provider. That's our goal. Coming to future plans, we have many. A lot of things are there in our mind. New software technology called brain simulation. We have a biological brain simulation concept, and viscometer, virtual viscometer. We are also planning to jump the viscometer. Right? Without a device, I want to see connected monitor. So viscometer. See, I'm going somewhere, and suddenly I want to see something in the internet without a mobile, without a TV, without any electronic equipments, just through the air. If I want to see, yes, that concept is viscometer. An artificial human brain using a super fast neural networks and artificial intelligence. We have ideas, complete solutions to all the existing issues with the OOPS concept also. We have ideas. We have ideas. We will be implementing all these things. Okay, if you see, these are the annexures, like additional information, like the major use cases. What is SuperIndex DB? As I said, SuperIndex DB can be used in three ways. One is a normal table mode. You can create a table, you can just search it, and you can use a traditional indexes, and you can do the fetching operations. The traditional indexing model will be there. We have a third concept called SuperIndex data structure, SuperIndex DB. That is also is available. What is index? If you see the Wikipedia site, you will see this. It's a data structure again, the B tree, binary tree data structures, and that will the fetching response time will be very fast because of the index key it is keeping, or the index tree way it is keeping. But SuperIndex DB, we have a new data structure that is a very interesting one, that directly goes to the record and it fetch it without a table scan, without even spending like index also, right? So O of n is almost one in algorithms, right? So this is the syntax of using a SuperIndex DB. Create a SuperIndex with the SuperIndex name or the table name with the column name, and you can drop that SuperIndex whenever you want. But when you have SuperIndex, the response times will be faster. Okay, this is a sample Java program from where you can connect the database using a JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. So you can just connect SuperIndex using a connection URL, and after that there is a connect you can connect it using driver manager, and you can create a table. And after creating a table, you can just insert the record, delete the record, update the record, fetch the record. This is a sample Java application, I mean the Java program, which is using a JDBC, and you need to connect with SuperIndex driver, right? Without that, you cannot connect to the SuperIndex DB database. Okay, this is our command-based SuperIndex client. We also have UI-based SuperIndex client. Okay, this command-based, what it will do, it will just a bat file. If you install a bat file, it will be like this. You will just type whatever the queries you want. You just type it and you can play it. Okay, SuperIndex driver usage. As I said earlier, so you need to connect to our cloud, right? So this is the cloud model, the JDBC SuperIndex Cloud Server IP address you need to specify, and the port. Database name you need to mention, and the user you need to specify, and the password you need to specify, and you need to connect to the Java driver manager using the import of Java package, java.sql package, right? The java.sql package, it just give you the driver manager connection. The driver manager is a public method which is connecting to our database using our driver. Okay, if you have any questions, yes, you will be having it. You must have it, and we are expecting you to have the questions because that gives us more, stuff. So when you have any questions or anything you want to contact us, or even for a business you want to contact us, you can contact through these mediums, right? One is that our contact number, that is +91 98 456 89152. Our email address is contact us at the rate superindexdb.com. Our website is https colon double slash www.superindexdb.com. After going to the website, you can use many options to contact us. Contact us page, yes, you can go and you can just enter your details. You can go to the support page, you can just type your details. Whatever the way you want to contact, you can contact us. Okay, this is the end of the video. Like, if you like this video, please like us, subscribe us. We will be seeing many videos like this because we already have. I mean, created some videos like how SuperIndex DB is different from other databases. Technically, we have provided, and database server concepts, like usually what is database driver, what is database client, and what is database JDBC, how we are connecting, and all those things we have put on video. And also I'm planning to put more videos in future like J2E, .NET, all the technologies and how we are connecting to the database, how the innovations are happening, and I'm planning to put all the videos so you can watch all the videos. I mean, you can also subscribe, and you can also comment, and you can also provide more details. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Have a good one. Thank you.